Welcome, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And guess what time it is? It's time to unbox the Sew Sampler box by the Fat Quarter Shop. Find out why the August 2025 box is so awesome. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back. I'm so grateful you decided to join me for this unboxing of the August 2025 Sew Sampler box by the Fat Quarter Shop. But before we get started, notice I'm in my new sewing space. I'm so excited, you guys. I finally had the ambition to unpack this Target-sized cart of items and start organizing them back in my Calyx unit from IKEA, just getting my space. Where I'm filming right now, where the camera's located, is where my sewing station's going to be. And this will be my pressing and cutting station, similar to my old format. But I'm also going to have another table over here for an additional machine, like my embroidery work. So if I'm doing quilting in the hoop, but I need to do piecing, I can do the piecing here, and I can do quilting in a hoop over there at the same time. So I'm really excited. It's coming together. And I started going through some of my fabrics. So my pre-cuts that I get from Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler boxes are all in this Tupperware. This is a rectangular modular mate number 4, and it holds a ton of those junior jelly rolls. I love it. It's so convenient. And of course, it's an airtight, liquid-tight container, so no moisture or humidity will get at it, and it will not age it with dust and debris. So I'm really excited about it, and I can sort of see what's in there just by pulling this modular mate off of my Calyx unit. I'm going to do the same thing for my half-layer cakes and layer cakes, as well as my charm packs. This is a great use for Tupperware. If you are looking for Tupperware to organize your space, and you would like for me to do a demonstration on how to organize your craft area using modular mates, let me know in the comments below. If you are interested in Tupperware, I am your consultant if you'd like me to be, and I have all the information in my description below. So let's get started with this unboxing of the Sew Sampler August 2025. Find out why this box is so awesome. Just a quick reminder, you guys, before I get started with the unboxing, that I pay for all my Sew Sampler boxes. They are $29.99 a month plus tax and shipping. Here in Wisconsin, it comes to about $36. This box was really good in value, and you'll find out at the end of the unboxing what that is. Also, if you like what you see today, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos and let people know that the Quilting Camper is a thing. And make sure you leave comments below. I love to hear from you guys. It helps me so much to know that you're engaging me so I can engage you with more content. My last video that I posted about the haul from Ollie's with the American Crafts, a lot of you love that video, and I got a lot of views on it. So I thank you so much for following me here at the Quilting Camper. In addition, I do want to apologize with you. In this new space that I'm living in, I didn't realize that a family has an infant and they cry a lot. So if you hear screaming, crying, whatever in the background, please understand that it's all okay. I want to say it is a newborn. And unfortunately, she cries day and night. It's just one of those things, and I feel very blessed to have this space. But I want to let you guys know that everything is okay. If you hear any crying, just understand that it's my neighbor next door taking care of their new infant. Okay, let's get started. Yay! August 2025. And the theme for this month is So Wild. Now, we usually get a discount and some free patterns in here, so let's see what it is. Okay, so there is a promo code only for Sew Sampler subscribers. It is 20% all charm packs. That's a really good deal. So if you like charm pack sewing or like doing projects with charm packs, 20% off of all of them. Here's a nice benefit for being a member of the Sew Sampler Club. And we also have a free extra pattern that you can use. This one, anybody can copy that QR code to get that. But that's another really nice bonus. We get really good inspiration, great ideas, extra percentage off when we shop at the Fat Quarter Shop. Love that. And then we get this beautiful leaflet that shows you all the descriptions and all the prices, which I will tell you in a little bit. And it has all the patterns. It's super cute. I love how they do this. They do such a great job. You guys, the Sew Sampler box is bar none the best box for quilting, sewing, and notions on the market for the money that you pay. And this box is awesome because there's a theme. Everything in this box can be used with the pattern. I just think that is so cool when Fat Quarter Shop coordinates these boxes so everything in here is used to make whatever the project is this month. Plus, they're really cool tools too. And the first item in this box is the Sew Line pen. I really like my Sew Line glue pen. Those things are amazing. Planning out your stitches but don't want to leave a lasting mark? The Soline Air Erasable Pen glides across your fabric with a smooth ceramic roller ball, giving you crisp, easy-to-see lines right where you need them. Light footprints in the Wildflower Meadow, the mark gently fades away on their own within 2 to 10 days. It's perfect for making your mark without leaving a trace. Valued at $3.98. Now, I did watch some people online do unboxings that have experience using this pen. They're saying that it disappears within hours. Please make sure that whatever markings you're going to make on your fabric, you do it immediately and not decide to make the markings and do your sewing 2 days later. Otherwise, they might disappear and you don't want that. But I hear really great things about this pen. I do use friction pens, but always am worried about those marks coming back. So I always use friction pens on inside the seams, so that way I don't have that risk. But this might be something to use on exposed seams. I'm gonna give it a try and let you guys know. So the other reason why this box is so awesome is because the next item is a Creative Grids ruler. Oh my gosh, you guys. Creative Grids is amazing. I love their rulers, as you can see or can't see because they're hiding behind my boxes. I use Creative Grids almost exclusively. I do have a couple Omni Grids, but that's because when I started sewing over 24 years ago, that's all I could find or knew about. As soon as I started watching videos by Kimberly Jolly at the Fat Quarter Shop, she talked about why she likes Creative Grids. And this was about 5-6 years ago when I started watching the YouTube channel for Fat Quarter Shop. And I started using them and I started buying them. And I'll tell you, with the little extra grip texture that's on these, it holds it down so you don't have as much slippage. You can buy some anti-slip dots for your existing rulers if you have some that don't have that extra grip. I just am getting used to the way that Creative Grids marks their rulers for easy to read accuracy. And that's really important. But this box is awesome because when we get these Creative Grid rulers, it adds a lot of value to the box that we pay, and we get something that I might not normally buy. This is $21.95. Plant the seed and watch it blossom with the Creative Grids 4-in-1 Hexi ruler. This clever little tool is like sunshine for your cutting table and makes it a breeze to shape 4.5-inch hexagons, 4.5-inch half hexagons, 2.5-inch triangles, and 2.5-inch diamonds for simple fabric strips. Its grippy back keeps things steady while you snip and trim with confidence. Its grippy back keeps things steady while you snip and trim with confidence. And with the built-in 1/4-inch seam allowance, your pieces are set to bloom into beautiful shapes without any extra fuss. Love it. I probably wouldn't normally buy this ruler just because I'm not into hexes as much. I do have an AccuGo quilt cutter and I have the triangles and the hexes, so I can actually make accurate cuts with the die cutters. So that's one of the reasons why I may or may not use this, but this is also being featured in this month's box as a part of the pattern. And the next item in this box is the block of the month, Flowering Quilt-A-Long block number 5. This month's flowering quilt block is ready to bloom. Let your creativity run wild as this sampler quilt sprouts with a true forget-me-not stitch by stitch. If you missed one, all flowering block patterns will be available at the Fat Quarter Shop. The value is $4.98. And once again, these things are super easy to read. Love their patterns. And speaking of patterns, we have a table runner. I love doing table runners. You know why I like table runners? It's because they take a lot less time than a full-size quilt, and you kind of get that satisfaction right away. They're also fun. Table runners are a really great way to express decor and holiday changes throughout the year, and our tables deserve to have something pretty on it, and I really love this pattern. Rain Lily's Table Runner pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. Put your 4-in-1 Hexi ruler to good use with the charm packs in this month's box to create the Rain Lily's Table Runner, a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. This pattern bursts with hexes and triangles that come together in a fresh, cheerful design. Each piece feels like a little bouquet in bloom, making it a joy to piece and even more delightful to display. Once again, these are $9.98 in value, but you cannot get them off the website. They're only exclusive to Sew Sampler members. And I love how it tells you on the back what you're going to need for backing, binding, and background fabric. This will use 3 charm packs, which are included in this box. Spoiler. And also it uses the ruler that's included in this month's box. And the marking pen you can use to help you make the quilts. So cool. All right, as I always say, here's the piece de resistance. And look it, we get 3 charm packs. This is a value of $37.44. That's amazing. And I'm going to show you the pattern, but I want you to get a feel for the colors in this range. I love the chartreuse green because you know that's the Quilting Camper green, and the blues and the aquas. It just brings about a really nice feeling of joy. They are also medium to low volume prints, which makes it easier to see more solid colors from a distance. I like low volume prints because they sort of blend in. Let your creativity frolic among the wildflowers with Shelly Kavana. These charm packs are blooming with bold blossoms and leafy prints in cheerful shades of teal, navy, lime, and sky blue. This collection lets your imagination run wild and encourages you to get lost among the wildflowers. Each square is a little breath of fresh air and ready to brighten your blocks, spark new ideas, and bring even more joy to your next project. And like I said, a value of $37.44. And let's watch the colorways right here. So what do you guys think? Was this Sewing Wild Sew Sampler box by the Fat Quarter Shop, August 2025, awesome? Everything in this box can be utilized with the pattern included. All you need is just a little extra fabric to finish it. I think that makes this box awesome. I may not use everything in here, but I'm definitely going to use the charm packs. Those are totally my jam. I love the colors, the design, and I will definitely find a project for them. So let me know, you guys, what your favorite item in this box was in the comments below, and also let me know if you tried that Sewline Air Erasable pen. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you guys. If you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please share my videos. And remember, sharing is caring in the world of creativity. When you share what you love with others, you make a difference. And that's what we do here at the Quilting Camper. If you want to find out what I'm doing in my life, check out my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. I did update the page. I'm really excited about that. And yes, you guys, there are going to be bloopers at the end of this reel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. You like my dinosaur? Good Lord. Like I said in one of my other videos, I like to have fun plushy things around the house. Honestly, IKEA makes the best stuffed animals. Okay, you guys, I want to say thank you so much for joining me here today on the Quilting Camper. I so appreciate you sharing this journey with me. Until the next one, bye for now! And with a built-in quarter-inch seam allowance, your prices... And with a built-in quarter-inch seam allowance, your prices... I keep saying price. Getting old really hurts. We have the flowering block. Okay. Let your creativity frolic among the wildflowers with Shelly Kavana. Canva is it's a web design tool. Why is the August 2027? It's not 2 years forward, it's 2027. Oh man. Okay. Time machine. If you try the if you try that Sewline, not airline. Welcome back. I'm so excited that you decided, what am I doing here with this? It's like Simon Cowell on America's Got Talent. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.